Hey gang, and welcome to Weaver Music.
Alright, we have a 2006 Epiphone Junior model. This is one of those rare ones. This here is actually the Milk Rocks campaign with the such talented artist as Brittany Christian. And what they had done is that they were creating a limited edition contest, and so the winner would get concert tickets and stuff of that nature, but they would also get one of these guitars. And so these here were limited to only a handful, probably. So these are very rare. You're not going to see too many of these. And this one came in, and I ended up getting a special deal on it because the volume knob and tone knobs aren't working. You plug it in, you get no sound out of it. Now what's neat about this one here is it's got the Milk Rocks emblem on the bottom side, but it's got a full complete plate on it as well. All this is factory. Now we're just going to get this cleaned up. It needs a little bit of work. The fret's got some edges on it and they need to be polished up. But overall, very nice instrument. Alright, let's get started. Under initial inspection, it says someone has messed with it. I'm looking now and I see that there's some bad solders and some cut wires. So we may have some unauthorized modifications. We'll find out. Let's see what we got going on here. This looks like the original pickup. I think we're okay there. Zooming out of this thing, I think. Check it out. Based on what I'm seeing here, looks like this might not be the original knob in here. So I have the 500 ohm one there. Some funkiness there. Alright, we have brand new pots. We've rewired it correctly. And brand new output jack as well. We can put this all back together. Now it should work just fine. There we go. There's a lot of cleanup to do, but alright, the last thing we have to do is to work on this fretboard and finish cleaning it all up. Well, after a little bit of research here, I realized that someone has chewed up this nut to the point to where it buzzes really bad at that first fret. So I have a new replacement nut, and we're going to replace this. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see this or not. I'll try to show you, zoom in here a little bit, but you can see they chewed that thing up.
What you doing?
Well, hello, Sonic.
Ooh, what's that?
We got Sonic the Hedgehog over here as our guest.
Ooh, this is cool. How do we do this? Bye-bye.
Hi, Sonic. Thanks for stopping by. Alright, I believe we are there. Alright, it doesn't take a lot to put these on. You don't want to cake them. then it makes it impossible for the next person to replace. Well, we are ready to put new strings on here. I myself am very fond of the Super Slinkies. Not that I am endorsed by them at all. I'd be happy to endorse them, but this is what I put on all my instruments. I really like these. Alright, we got a slight bow to it, so we need to tighten that neck up a little bit. Do some work.
If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up, and always please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next video.